Hey, everyone. I hope you are well. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the simple process of changing the screen resolution on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Screen resolution is an important aspect of the visual experience on your computer, as it determines the clarity and sharpness of your display. Whether you need to adjust your screen resolution for work, gaming, or just personal preference, this tutorial will show you how to do it in a few easy steps. So, let's get started and learn how to change the screen resolution on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Step 1. Open Display Settings. Right-click on the desktop and select Display Settings from the context menu. Alternatively, you can open the Start menu and type Display Settings in the search bar, then click on the corresponding option. Step 2. Access Screen Resolution Settings. Then Scale and Layout section and click on the display resolution. You can see the current screen resolution of your display. To change it, click on the Resolution drop-down menu. Step 3. Select Screen Resolution. Choose the resolution that you want to set for your display. You can see a preview of how the screen will look like with the selected resolution. If you're unsure which resolution to choose, Windows will recommend a default resolution for your screen. You can also experiment with different resolutions until you find one that suits you. Step 4. Apply changes. After selecting the desired resolution, Windows will ask you to confirm the new resolution by displaying a pop-up message. Click on Keep Changes if you're satisfied with the new resolution, or revert to cancel the changes. Step 5. Exit. Exit from the display window, by click on Close button. That's it. You've successfully changed the screen resolution and adjusted the display scaling on your Windows 11 device. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and tech tips.